Okay, we're now in a position where we can fit the second block to this engine. We've already fitted one yesterday. We're now getting ready to lower the second block onto the engine. Erin's now preparing the base joint with some sealant, some weld seal that we use, and then we're going to slide the block into place, lubricate the pistons and drop the block down. And it's quite difficult to get all the piston rings lined up at the same time, and then we'll ease it down nice and gently until we're happy it's seated properly, and then we will be able to bolt it down finally. So Mitch, if you want to come round and grab the crane. Right, get the back end that way. We need to get it further that way.
Right, steady, go up, Mitch, please. Okay.
Alright, so we still need to go that way a touch. Can you bring the back end of the crane that way?
Yeah, roughly a sec.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. That's better. So, how far off a centre are we? A little bit, yeah, aren't we? Where's that block? Is that in the way? Not quite. We can go over a little bit.
Right, do it.
Right. Okay. So, if you go out just a touch, Mitch. Right. Yep. All right, come down a touch, Mitch, please. Yep, okay, hold it there a sec. Let's have a look at those. Those rings are all in. All right, I'm going to put that on that one. All right, come on down a bit more, Mitch, please. All right. Get that. That's it. Should be in.
Yep, he's in.
Right. Yeah, come on down a bit more.
Oh,
Hold it.
we're checking.
Which way do we need to go?
There.
You're in? Yeah? Right. Right, just down a touch, Mitch. Give it a block of rock, Erin, will you? Hold it. Let's have a look at that.
Yeah, that's in.
That's in.
Maybe you could try and move that engine and bring that piston up.
How far up is that centre? He's quite a way up, that piston. No, where's that piston skirt? It's quite a way up there a bit. Come down a little bit more. Right, hold it there. I think we'll probably get that clamp on those rear rings.
In there. 'Cause it's a stud. Yeah. But I don't know, we'll get it eight stand.
We can get it past the stud. It'll go past the stud. We'll wind it out again. All right, let's come down a touch with it. That one's gone in. Hang on a minute. Let's come out of that. Right, is that clamp all right at the back end of your side, Phil?
Seems like it. He's high enough. I can get him out afterwards.
It's not
The
on,
block is
not on that ring there.
Ow. Right. Can you hold the clamp up your side, Phil?
Feels like it done something.
It's not properly on the ring this side, but all right, let's just give it a wiggle down then, see what happens. Come on.
Right, coming down?
Yeah. Right, still stuck on this one here, I think. Just hold it there a minute, Mitch. That piston's cockeyed, isn't it? Right, something's jamming on this clamp. Where's this clamp jammed?
Studs at the back.
Okay. Where's that? That piston's flush there, isn't it?
There's no weight on that.
Right, can you just take a little bit of weight, Mitch, please? Go on, go on. Right, hold it there. Right. So where are we?
Up against his stud on this side.
I'm not sure how many rings are all in there, to be quite honest.
I mean, the clamp is almost together, so there's got to be somewhere close. Surely.
Phil?
What's that I can see up there?
Ring.
Push it up a bit if you can. Just give it a wiggle. Come down a touch, Mitch.
Right, it's over.
Hold it there. Right. Is that over all three rings?
Yes.
Right, so we need to get that clamp out of there. It just needs to feed round, like so. Right. So come down a little bit more, Mitch. Right, okay, hold it there.
Yeah.
So to turn the engine, we've got to turn that anti-clockwise from that end.
Yeah, push this one up.
Yep,
Ready?
yep.
Oh,
Check all the rods are free. Yeah.
yeah, from. That all moves, that all moves.
Right. Which way was that going? Yeah.
That's going up the right way, I think.
Go on. No, leave that there. We just want to bring the piston up. Keep going. Really? You jammed on something?
It's definitely a bit gone top there.
It's not one of those, it's not there's a nut halfway on one of those studs there. Which way?
No, that's alright. That way.
So we're just coming onto this bottom ring.
Yeah, that's tight.
Something's. Why is it tight then? It shouldn't be tight. Apart from the fact that it's slightly cockeyed here.
Ah, that's the ring thing off.
Yeah, I'm not sure the ring's all the way in though. That's in the sump now, isn't it? Can you? Can we get that? Can you get that out of the way, Phil?
Yeah.
Right, where's that ring? It's a pegged ring again, isn't it? That's the trouble.
Pegged one, yeah.
Where's that light? Well, it's on the peg.
Is it?
Yeah,
It looks to be in all around this side.
yeah, it's slightly, can go in it a bit more. Go down with the block a touch, Mitch, will you? That's it, that's on. Right, I think we can go all the way down with that now. Good, right. I'm happy with that then. The block,
Yeah, good.
just a little bit more of a wiggle and that should be all the way.
Okay.
Good, we can get some nuts and washers on there then, Aaron. Good, well I'm pleased with that. That's the second block now on. All we've got to do is bolt it securely to the crankcase. Then fit the rear two blocks and we can then assemble the camshafts, carburetors and all the timing gears can then go on as well. So we're making progress slowly.